today, first gaming, hopefully, this is actually legit first gaming episode of Beat Saber in VR.
Oh, is that my cue to get up now?
Yes.
If you can't tell, I'm gonna have to go through the pain of feet fit. I just did a warm up on hard, now I'm gonna do expert because, you know, the boss is telling me I need to exercise. So, dear God, spare to hear me scream in agony. Okay, no. We'll go back on hard, shall we? I'm still, for context, I've only been playing Beat Saber for a few days. I'm still a noob. Okay, so I know I'm gonna get harassed online, but let's find out. You know, this is one Discord admin that does physical exercise. Well, digital first exercise with a toaster strapped to his face. God, I'm missing so many.
Everyone step to the left. Now to the right.
So if you know anything about Beat Saber, I've actually got a crouch in real life. And I'm doing this at 2 AM for context, so neighbours probably hate me.
My neighbors probably also hate me.
Step to the left. Everyone step to the right. Now to the left. Now to the right. Now to the
I'm just
left.
being cheeky right now. I'm just sitting in my bed and, you know, recording this for myself.
Oh God, I'm bashing things in real life, I know. My play space is too small.
Now to the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, 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 right, right, left, right.
Oh, you gotta keep the commentary up, I'm concentrating too much.
So we are currently reviewing a Discord admin that usually sits on his ass all day.
Yeah, fuck off now, Moxie. Look, I'll be recording for a video for you after this as well.
Oh yes,
While I'm sweating very, very heavily, possibly. Okay, there's our first song.
first song of the day. Hopefully this actually works. And you can double check if this works.
Okay.
You can relax. Oh,
No.
okay.
Feel good ink time?
What about physical, like, you know?
Deja vu.
Okay, deja vu.
What song do you want?
Sure, let's go deja vu.
Alright then. I don't know if this is the right difficulty for me. Okay, it is. This is a difficulty I practiced on. Rehearsals for a fucking video game.
Nah, let's just raw dog it.
Oh, I mean, I can always download some songs and YOLO it. Oh, there's a miss. I'm so good at this game.
I also kind of feel so, you know, like, I don't know.
Anyway.
I want to get into VR. That's for a fact.
Oh, I mean, if you work hard for it, it's great, and don't get in debt for buying stuff. Anyway, for context on this video, Moxie can't hear what's playing, nor can the recordings. We're gonna have to edit this in, which will be another pain. So if you see this, that means this video wasn't scrapped and we actually put work into it, which is an actual surprise knowing us.
Because we had like a terabyte worth of content that is scrapped.
Well, I mean, I know I don't do any work, but, you know, Moxie's already said that.
You just need to a bit more power. Come on, go in.
Hey.
There you go.
Okay.
And maybe obligatory addict, just because, you know, obligatory.
Now, Moxie, I can tell you I absolutely suck at this song, so I can tell you I will not be able to beat this first try.
Okay, fair enough. But I'm saying because it's just.
This is where the real agony is going to come in. We are just warming up.
I like the purple though.
It's the same purple. Oh wait, you're gonna fucking... No, you know the hex code off heart. Probably isn't.
It doesn't look like it's our purple.
Right then, case in point. This is where it gets annoying. This is where you're gonna have to end up being time. Oh, for fuck's sake! Did you forget them all?
Come on, we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Oh. It's there's another one. The remix or whatever. There was another one. Should be easier.
Expert Plus.
Oh.
No! Right, well, we gotta keep doing this until we beat it, no matter if it takes me fucking until my mother comes back to pick me up from school. Do I have to, Moxie?
Oh.
We're getting better. Slowly, but we're getting better. Because, you know, like, rest equal, like, boring movement, but...
So, is this our, what, 7th attempt?
Maybe. We'll probably just want to cut out all these. But, who cares? Or maybe everyone wants to see all the agony.
Yeah, what?
There's gonna be... If you bother to bleep stuff, there's gonna be so many bleeps, it's gonna be unreal. Why, dear God, why do you have to punish me for these awful sins of cold working at mustering? God, the amount of times I'm hearing, but we're already past that phase is awful. This is more annoying than constantly sending it to each other.
Just to be clear, on camera, on recording, are you perfectly fine if I clip some videos for TikTok?
Yes, Moxie. You should get a counter to see how many fucking tries it takes me. So far I think we're on 10.
Instead of the 10th try.
Yeah. Keep a counter from now on. Oh, for fuck's sake.
11?
Right. 11th try, let's do this. Yes. Sometimes. Right then, 12th try. For the hell of a goodbye. I got too confident there and I feel. Oh. For fuck's sake, this is genuinely painful. Fuck.
Okay, we stay the same.
I'm just gonna fucking cry. Oh. Right, what attempt are we on now? 13, 14?
14th.
Oh.
Your best attempt was the 13th attempt, ironically.
15th attempt. Right, I am. 16th attempt!
We're getting better though.
Moxie, we're gonna be on attempt like 346 by the time I beat this. And I missed already. Girl, stuck in a super row. Fuck! Bro, my back is getting like actually like really wet from sweat. I'm definitely gonna have to shower after this.
Oh, Discord admin. Worst
Discord
nightmare.
admin behavior for real.
The worst nightmare for Discord admin. Going to for shower.
Oh yeah, that's fucking impossible.
Oh yeah, context to the fans. Our 2-man team. My spider is a admin in the server.
I shouldn't be one, but you fucking forced me to be one.
I didn't force you anything.
Okay, actually, yeah, fair enough. I like the power.
Yeah, I was about to say, you like the power, so, you know, I forced you to play the song, yes, but I didn't force you to have an admin.
I swear to God, if we actually end up uploading this video and it doesn't get scrapped, I'm actually gonna, like, die of laughter. I think it's gonna be our viral video, I can feel it.
Because it's just raw emotions. There's like no, no hiding nothing.
Oh, and I fell to the end of the night, surrounded by fucking. Oh my god! I'm gonna... Okay, maybe censor that part. Oh god, I'm slowly losing my sanity. Well, actually, I mean, I really lost it ages ago, but you know. We already passed that phase. This is a brand new start. And I think I deserve some praise for the way that I hear the song so much. Despite having overdosed, ended up comatose. I don't give a damn. My emotions go, fuck being fuck you, Angel Dust out. God, I feel like I should take some sex drugs just to play this song, might improve my performance. Funny enough, the bottle there is the same colour code as these lightsabers. Black and red.
I'm just saying how family friendly we were, and we're slowly going downhill.
Come on, Moxie. Do you expect a song about sex and drugs is going to be friendly and that friendly? I'm just like fucking anger issues. Deep breath. We are a depressed prostitute. Okay, no, that's, you're just describing stuff. You're a depressed spider. Fuck, that's still me. You're a depressed gay. No, that's still me. You're a depressed gay demon. There we go. So keep that in mind. Become actors. Dude, fuck, what the fuck was that? Come on. Right, are we on 20th attempt now?
21st, and that was the best run yet.
Alright, depressed gay prostitute that is in hell. Not called Northern Ireland. For honor! Okay. I'm back from stabbing myself with a katana. Fuck me, it's half 3 or half 2 already. No, we're not in practice, that's for pussies. I swear this is worse than Chinese water torture. Should never mind having to play it over and over again.
Oh, your context. Your context before he's
a brand new start. Okay, you do your stupid context. No, wait.
The context that it's running because I usually like to play Addict on anything I touch. So that's our like inside joke. Can it play Addict? You know, on the lines of like, can it play Doom?
Oh, I'm gonna cheat a little. Let's try the Expert Plus one. Let's see how well this goes.
Imagine Expert Plus is actually better than...
I wouldn't surprise me because the other level's got really shit ratings, or this one's got really good ones. Why is the Expert Plus easier?
As I predicted.
Right, fuck you. Moxie, we're playing this version because it's better than made. Okay, it's just me hallucinating. I thought my brother was calling me there. I was like, oh wait, she's not in the house.
I think so, yeah, I think so, you lost the plot there.
Oh yeah, a long time ago, Moxie, don't you worry. My controllers are actually getting hard to hold because of how sweaty they are. Moxie, I'm gonna die heat stroke before I complete this song.
I'm just imagining you playing this and your controller just flies into the CIT.
Dies by addict.
I just imagine behind the scenes what happens, like the thing flies into the CRT, goes kaboom, and you die.
CRT is just like, I've heard enough of listening to this song. Fucking headset explodes in my face.
We are big fans of CRT, too.
CRT Master is, baby!
And whatever Linus says is not true.
Oh, come on, I actually did good there.
Well, 28th. Can't believe you actually listened to this song 28 times.
I would rather work for Valentino than fucking do this again. Oh, come on! I'm just gonna curl up on a ball on the floor. Monty, do I have to do this?
For all the times that you say to me, addict this shit.
I'm gonna have to play this a million times! Oh yes, Glenn Club 3000, be my accidental pillow.
You know, that's our one grid.
Oh, I am genuinely so sweaty. I can't feel my clothes. It feels like wet tiles. They're sticking to me, Moxie. They're sticking to me.
I feel so bad for you.
You can stop this fucking madness by making me stop playing this. Oh, oh God. I genuinely need some water, like so badly.
I mean, for what you can go.
I mean, for fuck's sake, I'm gonna do a dark horror rally soon.
I'm just saying, I'm gonna just label videos saying how to make a person insane.
My arms are genuinely numb, Moxie. My spine hurts just from twisting.
I mean, you were still twisting if we continue playing this game, so...
Oh, you can probably tell by how hard I'm swinging the swords that my muscles are genuinely getting weaker. Okay, I feel like if I properly get into the groove of this, I can genuinely do it.
Okay, let's try this then.
Alright, proper serious full concentration mode, alright?
That was one of the best runs you had. Half of the song. You give up.
Moxie, there's your daily fucking content for the day, you fucking happy? Oh, for fuck's sake, yeah, I forgot about that. Oh.
Thanks for watching.
Please don't subscribe to this fucking asshole that drove me to do this. In 1 week's time, if he keeps making me do this shit, I fucking quit. So don't give him any support. Don't like, dislike him, report him. Do whatever you want to him. I don't give a fuck anymore. I am done. And also goodbye. Hope you enjoyed watching. No, I hope you didn't.